Hello everyone. In my previous video, we learn about the verb and its type. What is a verb? Example. More information about word and its types. It is mainly categorized into types: finite verb and non-finite verb. And we took the information about the finite verb and non-finite verb. Now we are going to take more information, more details about the its type: principal verb or a main verb, linking verb, auxiliary verb or a helping verb, and its two types: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So let's see what is a principal or a main verb. Principal verb is also known as a main verb and a lexical verb. A principal verb is the verb that provides information and it's used to express action. Let's see the example. He gave me a book. He told me a story. In first sentence, gave. This is the past tense of give and it is coming as a main verb and action is here to giving something. It is represent to action. In next sentence, he told me a story. This is the past tense of tell and it is coming as a main verb in this sentence, and here is also action to telling something. A story or a something is telling. In a both sentence, both word coming as a main verb and they are giving more information about a verb and they are represent to action. Now second, linking verb. What is a linking verb? A linking verb connects the subject of the sentence to a word or a phrase and gives information about the subject. Let's see. Linking verb is doing what is doing? It is connecting the subject to the sentence to a word or a phrase and giving more information about the subject. Let's see the structure. Subject plus linking verb plus subjective complement. Subjective complement always coming in the form of noun, adjective and participle. Let's see the example. Linking verb be, am, is, are, was, were, seem, grow, test, feel, etc. etc. Now let's see how they working in a sentence. They are student. Student is a noun and they are giving the more information about them. Are is a linking verb. It is linking with the student and giving us more information about they. He looks happy. In this sentence, looks is a linking verb, happy is a adjective and looks joining with happy and giving us more information about his. They seems tired. In this sentence, sim is a linking verb. It is linking with tired and giving information about us, them. And it is working as a subjective complement or a participle. Now third, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also known as a helping verb. Auxiliary verbs are the verbs that are used to help the main verb to express its meaning in according with tense or a mood. Auxiliary verb is working as the verb or as the main verb and it is expressing the meaning according the tense or a mood. If tense is changed, it is changing its form and giving us more information about the verb. Let's see. Primary auxiliary. It has a two types: primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary verb: be, am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. Let's see the example. They are playing. In this sentence, playing is a main verb and are is linking with the play and telling us the action is going on, and are is working as the primary auxiliary verb. In next sentence, I have finished my work. In this sentence, we used the present perfect tense. Finished is a main verb, and to completing its meaning, have is working as a primary auxiliary verb. Its work already have done. In next example, I have a dog. We used have here as a primary auxiliary verb. We used have here as a main verb. In this sentence, have is working as a main verb. I have a dog. I do my work. Do is also working as a main verb here for completing its meaning. Let's observe. Now you understand better. They are working here as a primary auxiliary verb and here as a main verb for expressing the meaning of the sentence. Now, modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb that is used the main verb to indicate mood or a tense. For example, can, could, may, might, must, will, shall, should, would, ought to, used to, need. For example, you can jump and it may rain today. In this sentence, rain is a main verb and may as working as a modal auxiliary verb, and it is telling the possibility to us today may rain possible to come. And in this sentence, can is working as main verb and it is indicate the tense or a mode of the sentence.